How to buy Amazon gift card with Visa gift card. Visa gift cards are incredibly versatile because they can be used anywhere that accepts Visa. They are not specific to one store or brand. Amazon is the largest online retailer on the planet. Since Visa gift cards work like any other Visa debit or credit card, you can easily use one on Amazon by adding it as a credit or debit card payment method. First, go to Amazon.com. Sign into your account. Click Account and Lists. It's in the upper right corner next to the shopping cart icon. Click your payments. Scroll down and click Add a payment method. Click Add a credit or debit card. Enter the 16-digit card number. Enter card number, expiration date, and CVV. Click Add your card. Now you can buy Amazon gift card with this Visa card. Thanks for watching.